Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to do it on YouTube Shorts. So first up, open your YouTube app as you can see on your screen, and then we're going to Shorts. So basically here, you just need to find the video that you want to do a duet. So for example, with this video here, so all you need to do a duet, just basically tap on the remix button located here at the bottom right of your screen. So basically, if you tap on the remix, you have two options. You can basically use this sound. So if you're going to use this sound, then you can basically use that sound to create your own short. Now, the second way here to do a duet on YouTube Shorts is by going to cut this video. So here you can cut the video and you can now add your own video on the next page. So that's it. That's the two ways on how you can do Duet on YouTube Shorts. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.